Oh, want to introduce you to my buddy. This guy is called, this is Simba. He wanted to participate in today's topic on greenhouse and the rules that you have to follow. Otherwise, you end up in some problems. There's some issues or some problems that we encountered because we did not follow some of the rules that we're supposed to follow, that cause a 40% mortality rate on our propagation in our greenhouse. There's some rules that you have to follow when you're building a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a structure that you encompass your plants in so that you protect them from diseases, temperatures, and pests, and things like that. And then there's a scientific name they call the greenhouse effect. That is when you trap the heat from the sun coming in, you trap that heat, and it stays inside the greenhouse because it's trapped inside. This is useful in climates that are a little bit colder. So you want to trap the heat, which is much needed for the plants. However, if you're in a hot climate or region, you do not need a greenhouse effect or trapping that heat. So the way you build that greenhouse will matter. It will matter a lot. So the greenhouse in hot temperatures, they need to be a shaded net. So it allows sunlight, it allows heat in and out. The heat goes out too. So you don't want to trap the heat. That was the problem that we did. We installed it with the polythene, and the polythene, it trapped the heat. And because it's really hot, a bunch of seedlings died, and that was not a good thing. It was a very devastating loss. So we corrected that, and after that, everything went how we were expecting. We had good growth on our seedlings. They were bursting from the cocoa pit and just nice and healthy looking plants, very nice and green and uniformly growing and all these things. And I will let Solomon, one of my project managers, talk about what we're doing.
My name is Solomon Oidaka. And as we had said earlier, we are doing production of herbs and clonal avocados. Currently, right now, where we are is our propagation unit. This propagation unit have 4 types of herbs that are being done here. Right behind me there, we have propagated basil. Basil is going to our 480 square meters. And next to me here, we have also propagated rosemary. Rosemary is an outdoor crop. It will not go inside the greenhouse. Also, on this particular side, we also have thyme. Thyme is also an outdoor herb. And from there, we have mint. Mint also is an outdoor. That will go in our 3 acres piece of land.